Hey everybody, today we're gonna make a great taco salad. This is an easy recipe from the 1980s and it's an oldie and a goodie. So let's get into it. All right, so the first step to this awesome taco salad is you are going to brown a pound of hamburger ground beef. This is 80/20, and you're going to add a packet of taco seasoning and 3/4 cup of water, and you're gonna let that simmer up. And so you're gonna get ground taco meat here, right? Just like you're making tacos, right? You're going to put this in a bowl and you're going to set it aside and you're going to let it cool. You do not want to put this salad together with hot taco meat because it's going to make everything wilt. So I made this up earlier. It is about room temperature. I could put it in the refrigerator if I wanted it super cold, but it's going to work right here at room temperature. It is not hot. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside. The next thing that we need to do is we need to make a little bit of a dressing that goes on at the very end of the salad. And how we do that is we're going to use 1 packet of ranch seasoning dressing mix. So I'm going to place that here in my measuring cup, my vessel for my my sauce here. And then I'm going to take 1 cup of buttermilk. But guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I did not have any buttermilk in the house. So I used 1 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. So if you mix that together, that will give you what you need, just like having buttermilk, right? It is a replacement. So I'm going to place that here. And we're going to, look at me making such a mess here. We're going to just take a whisk and kind of bring that all together, stir it up together. It actually smells pretty good. And we're going to then set this aside. Now, this is a great salad. It's an easy one to throw together for the family. This is going to feed probably about, I'd say 4 to 6 people when I get done. This is a great salad to do right when you get home, or maybe you've worked all day or been out all day. But you'll have to prep everything. And I like to prep this on Sunday, knowing that I'm going to make this Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm just going to throw it all together, right? Also to take to a party. You'll be one of the favorites at the party if you bring this to a party, guaranteed. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is I have just some chopped up lettuce, about this much. I didn't measure it, but you're going to fill a nice, decent sized bowl like this. So it's not a full head. I'd say maybe it's a 3/4 of a head. It can be any type of lettuce. Iceberg works. If you're into more of the greens, you can use that as well. I'm also going to add in 2 tomatoes. And then I've got about 2 cups of cheese, maybe a cup and a half of cheese. Some fresh taco cheese. This is cheddar with a little Monterey. So whatever cheese you like with your tacos, we're going to place that in. And then we're going to place in the whole pound of taco meat that we made. Remember, it's going to be room temperature or cold. And then we're going to take a bag full of Doritos and we're going to crush them up. We don't want to crush them up so that they're like powdery. We're just going to give them a nice kind of crunch so they're smaller. Kind of the fun part, especially if you've had a rough day at the office. You'd like it to crunch them up. Right. Let me see. I think I can get them a little smaller. You just don't want that triangle chip in there. You want it to be ground down a little bit. And I'm going to put about half the bag in. And I'm going to try to stir this a little bit. We're going to stir it up. So you're going to take some tongs after you toss it all over the floor and drop everything. And you're going to need a nice large bowl for this. But let me tell you what, folks, this is a delicious, and we have been making this taco salad. Actually, I watched my mom make it when I was a kid. So back in the 80s when I was growing up, this was definitely, if you were going to a potluck or needed to bring a dish to pass, this fairly easy, right? But listen, you do not want to mix any of these ingredients together until you're ready to serve it, because the meat and the tomatoes and everything, if you aren't going to eat this right away, which we're going to eat this right away, it's going to get soggy. So your lettuce will get soggy and your chips will get soggy. Now I have a little bit more room here. I think I'm going to put in the rest of the Doritos. There we go. So I'm putting in the whole rest of the Doritos, even though my bowl is a little small. So you can see how everything kind of worked its way up to the top of the bowl as I was adding all of these ingredients together. Now, the final thing that we need to do is to put on the dressing that we made, right? We just made the dressing a few minutes ago. We're going to pour this all over and we're going to mix this in. So we're going to give this a nice soaking here. And let me tell you what, you're going to be a fan favorite at the party. All right, and I needed to mix that, get that all the way, every little bit of that out. Because we want every little ounce of that seasoning and spice, that buttermilk in there. There we go. And now we're going to give it a nice turn. And work that dressing all the way down into the bottom of this taco salad. Ooh, is it smelling nice? It's smelling so good. So if you have a family that loves tacos, ditch this tacos and try the salad for the week. Kind of just changes it up, but it gives you that taco, definitely that taco flair, right? So delicious. All right, so that's all it takes. So now I would be serving this right away because like I said, if you can't do this one early, it's going to make everything soggy. Let's have a little bit of this.
How can you not like it?
Yeah, if you want more tomatoes, you can add more tomatoes to it. If you wanted to add some green onions, if you wanted to add some black olives, you could do that as well.
All the above.
And here is our awesome taco salad. Let's give this a try. Oh yeah, baby. Perfect. Has a nice little crunch to it because of the chips, the fresh meat, the fresh cheese.
Right back to the 80s?
Right back to the 80s. It is perfect. So, so good. I'm going to have another bite. There we go. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.